Hiya there, it's Adam at Fordingtons in Hexham, and today I'm showing you around this 2017 Vauxhall Mokka X 1.6 CDTi Elite 4-wheel drive. Finished in this like really stunning sort of orangey flame, metallic. It's a lovely car, great spec. Comes with diamond cut alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors. In the boot, the previous owner had a rubber mat fitted, which is a good sized boot. There's a spare wheel underneath there, and the rubber mats just help keep things a little bit easier to clean than the carpet. The service history just did over 35,000 miles. And also got full leather inside and rubber mats on the passengers and drivers. Immaculate inside, and you've also got front heated seats, which is really ideal at this time of year. Cruise control and Bluetooth that displays on the touchscreen. It's also got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which you can use to display a SAT-NAV through your phone and other apps that are compatible. You've also got the front sensors there as well. It's really ideal. Just a lovely car to drive, and the 4-wheel drive is really good as well. Loads of added extras make this a great car. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to get in touch. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you now. Bye.